Namibian Minister of Health and Social Services Kalimbi Shangula appreciated the services of Chinese medical teams and the contributions they have made to the health sector in his country. He made remarks at a renewed ceremony held on Thursday for the rotating of the 14th and 15th Chinese medical team to Namibia in Windhoek, the Namibian capital.
This is just one of the examples that demonstrates the strength and depth of the long and profound ties of friendship between our two countries and our peoples. Over the past 1.5 years, 14th Chinese medical teams to Namibia worked hard and made remarkable achievements. Over the past 27 years, the generosity of the fraternal people of China has been demonstrated through the work of the medical teams that have given the gift of good health to thousands of Namibians at no cost.
During their tenure, the 14th batch assisted various Namibian government officials, including Namibian founding president Sam Nujoma, as well as visited informal communities and schools to promote traditional Chinese medicine. The batch also became the first team to introduce modern Chinese medicine music therapy to the array of already popular TCM therapies in Namibia. Since 1996, the Chinese government has been sending medical teams to Namibia to help boost the provision of healthcare services in the southwestern African nation.